At least 6 persons were killed late on Thursday night when a lorry carrying explosives inadvertently exploded, district authorities in Karnataka's Shivamogga have confirmed. The tragic incident took place around 10 kilometers from the town center. The explosives were being taken to a quarrying site. More are feared to be dead as around 12 persons were on the truck at the time of the accident. The intensity of the blast reduced the truck to several pieces and the victims' bodies are beyond recognition. After the news broke, both Deputy Commissioner and Superintendent of Police rushed to the spot to oversee rescue and relief operations. KB Ashoka, MLA of Shivamogga Rural, also rushed to the spot to oversee relief operations. According to reports, the blast took place at around 10:30 p.m. on Thursday night. The intensity was so much that residents from surrounding areas as far as parts of neighboring districts such as Chikmagalur and Uttara Kannada also heard the blast. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa meanwhile have reacted over the tragedy. The official Twitter handle of Prime Minister quoted Prime Minister Modi as saying, "Pained by the loss of lives in Shivamogga, condolences to the bereaved families, praying that the injured recover soon. The state government is providing all the possible assistance to the affected." Meanwhile, Chief Minister Yediyurappa said that I wish to express my deepest condolences to the family of the deceased. The wounded are being treated and I wish them all a speedy recovery. A high-level investigation into the accident has been ordered and strict action against the guilty will be taken. Chief Minister B.S. Yediyurappa also added that he is keeping a close eye in the rescue operation and sufficient teams have been dispatched to the accident site. Visuals had surfaced on Thursday night itself showing people living in Bhadravati town coming out from their houses fearing that this was an earthquake due to the blast. Many window panes were also shattered with some roads getting cracks. However, officials at the Karnataka State Disaster Monitoring Center have dismissed such a possibility.
Near the village of Hanskodu, there was an explosion due to dynamite or explosive materials. The investigation is going on. Already the bomb blasting detective team already on the way from Bangalore to Shivamogga and another team from Mangalore to Shivamogga. So after 1 hour, we will clear that.
Sir, some of the sources from the police department and us here who are on the spot, they says death rate may increase because there are many deaths happen.
So already our district minister, they told our DC, already they found 2 bodies. So some other blasting materials also surrounding this area.
So more search operation need to be done.
I think another 2-3 chances is there. Thank you.
So what about the government looking after these issues? Because as per the sources, these were really running illegally.
Already, no.
Many.
Already here in this area, 40 to 50 crushers and quarries is working going on. So in that, especially what the incident is had in this area, they took the license from district administrator also. So the main investigation is going on.
Were they supplying to railway ministry?
Not only for railways, sir. They were totally for developing work, for residential purpose, for public works.
So they'll supply to everyone.
Yeah, they supply to everyone.
Saddened by the tragic incident that took place last night at a stone quarry in Hunsodu village, Shivamogga district. Approximately 6 laborers have lost lives and several are critically injured in a powerful explosion at a stone quarry unit. It is suspected that gelatin sticks in a truck near the stone quarry exploded, killing the laborers. My deepest condolence to the families of the victims and my prayers for the speedy recovery of the injured. The government will take strict action against illegal stone quarrying. The government has ordered a high-level inquiry into this tragic incident. Stringent action will be taken against the culprits responsible for the explosion. Now I am on the way to Shivamogga, that place. Then I will give the detailed press meet.
Hello everyone. HW News English is 2 years old now. When we started this venture, we promised ourselves one thing, that news should remain free. Because right to know is the right of every Indian. But to keep news free for everyone, we need support from some of you. and thus we have rolled out membership on our YouTube channel HW News English. But mind you, the membership is completely voluntary. The programs that we were doing earlier, that we are doing now, will continue to remain free. First level is a basic level. Here, you can be our supporter by paying Rs 199 per month. This membership gives you certain perks and benefits. The perks include unique badges in front of your name, a live show from Mr. Sujit Nair and from Mr. Akhilesh Bhargava per month for our members. You can also vote in some exclusive members-only polls. Now the second level is Super Supporter. Here you can be our Super Supporter by paying Rs 3,999 per month. This membership will include every perk that comes with basic level. Additionally, our Super Supporters can be a part of a WhatsApp group where we can have discussions and suggestions on various topics. The second perk includes a gift pack with our merchandise. And the third perk is a Google Meet with Mr. Sujit Nair, where you can join the meet and ask your questions to Mr. Nair face to face. Lastly, if you like, we would give a shout out to our super supporters in our programs. So, hope to see you soon with our badges.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, well, subscribe to our YouTube channel.